In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to Microsoft Forms. This process can enhance your forms, making them more engaging and interactive. However, it is important to remember that Microsoft Forms does not natively support the direct upload of audio files. Instead, we will explore reliable workarounds to incorporate audio effectively into your forms. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any search engine you prefer. As you type, you will see a variety of results pop up. Look for the official Microsoft Forms website. This step is crucial because it ensures you are accessing the right platform. Once you find it, click on the link to proceed. You want to make sure you are on the official site to avoid any security risks. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you are already logged in, you will be taken straight to your Forms dashboard. If not, enter your credentials carefully and gain access. This step matters because logging into your account allows you to manage your forms effectively. You will see an overview of your forms and any previous work you've done. Now open your form. If you have multiple forms, locate the specific one you wish to edit. You can do this by scrolling through your list of created forms. Click on the form title to open it. This is an important step because it allows you to make the necessary edits to the form you want to enhance with audio. Once your form is open, you will see all the existing questions and options available for editing. After that, click Add New and choose any question type. You will see a plus sign or an Add New button. Click on it and a menu will appear with various question types such as multiple choice, text, or rating. Choose the one that best fits your needs. This step is essential because it sets the foundation for where your audio will be linked within the form. It will help you create a more interactive experience for your respondents. Next up, click the Insert Media, which is represented by a picture icon on the right side of the question box. When you click this icon, a menu will appear, giving you options to add media. Here we will focus on adding audio indirectly through video. This step is significant because it opens the door to integrating multimedia into your questions, enriching the respondent's experience. Then select Video, paste your YouTube or Stream link, and click Add. Make sure your video link is public so it's accessible to everyone who will be taking your form. Once you click Add, the video will load as a player directly under the question. This is a key moment because it allows you to present audio content that can clarify or enhance your question. You will see the player appear, which confirms that your audio is now part of the form. And that's it. You have successfully added audio to your Microsoft form through a video link. This method allows you to engage your respondents more effectively. They can listen to your audio while answering questions. Remember that using video links is a great workaround for including audio, ensuring your forms are dynamic and informative. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature useful in your future forms.